here. I am working, but I'm over here at my buddy Tim Summers' house, and he just got a GTM. Basically, it's a glorified race car slash kit car slash awesome. Here you go. And it's been a long time since he was waiting to get this thing. And look at this. You're right. Beautiful. I like the super sport stripes. You know, that's kind of how the Corvettes do it. Right. What size back tires do you have on this?
335s.
335s, nice.
So there she is.
Oh God, look how low this thing is. It's penis height.
Yeah, I like that.
Nice big carbon wing. She start?
No, batteries. It's been sitting so long, the battery's dead. But
is this the part 2?
This is a, yeah,
this is a 2, second
yeah,
gen.
Yeah.
It looks good.
The, Sparco 4-point harnesses in it.
God, it's pretty wide. It's almost as wide as a Ford GT. No?
It kind of has that Ford GT
right.
front end
to
it, huh? Yeah. I like the way they did the Gen 2. You don't have to. The wing was attached to this rear deck.
And you said it's an LS6?
Yeah.
Or a 3?
That's a 6. It's all aluminum heads.
Yeah.
It's got the cool air intakes routed through the sides. It's got the kook headers coming out the back.
Yeah.
So what it is?
What transmission?
It's got the Mendiola 5-speed in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got some nice work done to it.
I'll go buy let's put I've just bought a battery for my truck. I will put this fucker right in right now, man. Well, congratulations, Tim. It looks beautiful. And cheers.